In today's video, I'll teach you how to find IP address and MAC address in Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see various options over here. Tap on this option, network and internet, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the network and internet interface. At top, you'll be able to find this option for internet or Wi-Fi. So what you have to do is simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the Wi-Fi available over here. Tap on the gear icon right next to your current network. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the network details over here. So what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to see the network details. You'll be able to see the randomized MAC address over here. Along with that, you'll also be able to see the IP address. So like this, you'll be able to find the IP address and MAC address. So that is how you find IP address and MAC address in Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.